everybody? Another week, another dollar. Today is Sunday, August 2nd, and these are the top 5 things to watch this week. Kicking it off with number 1, the July jobs report due on Friday morning will be the highlight on this week's economic calendar. Analysts expected to show another 1.6 million jobs were created last month, on top of the 7.3 million already added in May and June. The unemployment rate, meanwhile, is forecast to fall to 10.5% from 11.1%. On to number 2. Besides the jobs report, the ISM PMI from the manufacturing sector will also be in focus. The survey, which is due on Monday morning, is expected to show further improvement from a month earlier in July, with analysts expecting a reading of 53.6. If confirmed, that would be the best number since April 2019. On to number 3. In addition to the ISM Manufacturing PMI, we'll also be watching Wednesday's Services PMI for further indications on the health of the sector. The survey is expected to fall to a reading of 55 in July from 57.1 in June, as a number of states reimposed lockdowns and restrictions in response to a renewed surge in coronavirus cases. As always, you can track the data releases in real time on Investing.com's economic calendar. On to number 4. This week will also feature a flood of earnings reports from a variety of companies across several different sectors and industries. In total, around 120 S&P 500 companies are scheduled to release results in the coming days. Disney, which releases earnings on Tuesday afternoon, and Moderna, which is due to release its own results the following day, will attract the most attention. Some of the other notable names include Square, Uber, Beyond Meat, Roku, and Virgin Galactic. High-flying tech names Live and Go, Fastly, Cloudflare, Datadog, and Twilio are also set to report. In addition, CVS, Clorox, and Take-Two Interactive are a few more names to keep our eyes on, as they are also due to report results in the week ahead. Head over to Investing.com's earnings calendar to stay up to date with the latest releases. And finally, number 5, another potential driver of risk sentiment in the coming week will be U.S. fiscal stimulus developments. Republicans and Democrats have so far struggled to reach an agreement on the next COVID-19 fiscal stimulus bill. Talks amongst high-level officials are expected to resume on Monday after negotiations failed to reach a breakthrough over the weekend. So that's it for me. May the trading gods be with you. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and you can now listen to these videos in podcast format on the Investing.com app. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy.